What do you see?
The cat.
Well, what do you think? Did it gain a little weight? Watch your bees, watch your bees. Look at that.
Have you seen any beetles, Daddy?
I saw one a while ago on that first honey frame, I believe it was, or the one that had a little bit of honey. Cora and I are out in the bee yard today. She's going to do a honey inspection on her hive. She's going to have to put up with my filming, and she's going to do this top honey box inspection on her own. She's convinced herself that these bees have made honey. I tend to think that she's right, but we're fixing to find out the answer, and we'll both know. So she's got her smoker going, she's got her hive tool. Might want to give them a little smoke up here. I'd say from the way that popped, they've got that propolis down a little bit. Make sure you don't have stuck frame. Work your other corner. Okay, get your hand in under it so that when it goes down, you're not smashing any of your bees. Okay.
I see it, Daddy.
What do you see?
The cat.
Okay. I didn't notice any hive beetles, did you?
Nope.
You might want to put a little smoke across them.
Doesn't matter what side I put mine.
To make it comfortable, just put it where it's easy for you. All right, you stay right there where you're at, and I'm gonna move right in here with you. And we're gonna take a look here
What side should I start on?
at what you saw. Well, this frame on this side seems not to be very inhabited. Pull it and set it out.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Can you kind of tell everybody what you're looking and seeing? And
I'm looking to see if there's any comb on it.
looks to me like they might have started a little bit, but
Yeah.
since you're wearing them chacos there, I wouldn't drip a big wad of those bees off on my foot if I were you, but you're braver than I am wearing them sandals.
Do I put this one on a frame grip too?
You can.
one has purples all over it.
Now Cora added this honey super, as y'all saw a few weeks back on Memorial Day, I believe it was. Do they have any honey down in the drone?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I think they were putting some up, maybe.
Okay, just not capped in, kind of tilted. I don't see any on this side. You got any liquid on your side?
No.
Okay, go ahead and hang them on the wrist. Your bees sure do have a good attitude, Cora. They don't really even mind you being in there, and it is a old hot, humid, muggy afternoon.
So is that honey right
Yep. Now I see what you're going to. You got, that is honey and comb, and they've capped that little dab. Yep. They've capped that little dab of honey that's in there.
So you think they're still working on this frame?
Yep. Okay. Go ahead now. Just turn it back like it was.
Like this?
No, the other way. Yep. And now set it and go set it back. That's fine. You've already done it now. Go ahead and set it down. That's fine. I wasn't relaying what I was trying to say. I'm not much of a cameraman. What I'm trying to say is now when you look at these frames, leave them in the hive. These it's
like
got.
Scoot them over?
You're right. Just scoot them back out of your way.
This one's going to be heavy.
It looks like it's got honey on it.
Ooh, this is
What do you think? Did it gain a little weight? Watch your bees. Watch your bees. Look at that. There's a frame of capped honey.
And that's a full frame, right?
That's a full frame, capped both sides.
Do you need to see the
Okay,
other side?
No, just put it back like it was and all.
Like this?
Yep, that's how it was. There you go. Watch your bees. Be careful.
Am I good?
Yep. Just ease it down in there. It don't have to go in a slot. You can set it up on top. Now let me just kind of get right over in here with you.
I'm not showing
That
this
frame
side.
there has got capped honey.
Will we strike this one?
Well,
Maybe.
maybe. You could tell that one had a little honey in it when you got a hold of it, couldn't you?
Oh, yeah.
Was there a little weight difference?
Yes.
Well, they've got honey on both sides of that one.
Yep.
They didn't quite pull a full frame yet, but they got close.
I think
And
they're
they
still
capped,
working on it.
yep, and they capped what's there, and I'm cheating. I'm looking ahead of you. I see another frame of capped honey. All right, so go ahead and put those back in.
This way?
Mm-hmm.
I think this one's going to be heavy too.
I think you're right.
Have you seen any beetles, Daddy?
I saw one a while ago on that first honey frame, I believe it was, or the one that had the little bit of honey.
Now, if we don't see any more, I shouldn't do something about that, right?
Right, I don't think you've got a beetle problem, to say the least. Look at that. So that's about a frame and a quarter of honey.
Oh, Daddy, there's one that's putting up honey, I think, on the side.
You think you see one in
See it?
action?
Right up top. On the
I
very
think
top
she
of the
might be
side.
just cheating and eating a little honey.
Mm.
All right, now put that one right back. That's how it was. Mm-hmm. Now just move one more frame. I can see that next frame doesn't look to me like it's even got any work done on it.
This one?
Yeah. And see if they put honey in that other combed out frame that we gave them.
So don't look at this one?
Yeah, just pop it loose and move it back. What you got over in that next frame? Looks like maybe they're working it, but definitely don't have anything capped on it.
Do you want me to take it out?
No. I think
And
you're
this
fine. I
one's
think we've
not.
seen what you wanted to see. So start easing them back into position. You wanted to do your little honey inspection. I think you've seen what you wanted to see, haven't you? So really and truly, you've got 3 frames of honey in there?
Yes.
Okay. Well, that's not bad, no longer than it's been there. And
Because it's only
they kind of got in on the tail end of the flow here. That's a nice shallow frame of honey you got right there.
Yes, this one is the heaviest.
Okay, now make sure it gets leveled out and put in the right spot. I know it looks like it's leaning a little. Did you get it? Okay. Yep, they go back just, I think you'll find they'll go back just like you took them out.
What are they doing there?
They're covering that honey. All right, 3 frames of capped honey, and I'd say they kind of hit the wall on nectar, and they're just kind of capping what they've got dried and idling. It's 3rd week of July. It's hot. It hit about 93, 94 today. As you can tell, that hive sitting next to Cora's, it's bearded out. They're all pretty well the same. Bees laying out. And got that BAC going, keeping brood at the right temperature and drying honey.
Will they move?
I don't think they will if you're careful.
Is this going on the right way?
Mm-hmm. You'll have, go ahead, just when, as you start it down, kind of catch your opening there and drag them off of it.
Are they off over there?
Pull it. There you go. Now twist it as you slide it. Don't pick it up again. There you go. Square it up with your box.
Does it look good over there?
Looks pretty good to me. You don't have any bees there right now. It'd be a good time to put that cover on. Look at there, they just cleared out of your way so you didn't hurt nobody.
They're on good.
Yep. Looked like a real quick honey inspection by a professional to me. Great job. Anything you want to tell the folks before we see them again?
Thank you for watching. Roll that beautiful bee footage.
All right. Thank you all for watching. Have a great afternoon.